this is my first outfit idea for back to school. It's a really purple themed outfit, and I've shown you this outfit in my Japan haul, so feel free to click on the card above if you want to see what I got from Japan, including this outfit. So basically these are all thrifted from a secondhand shop, and these shorts are originally from Calvin Klein. It's such a gorgeous purple, like I kid you not. Belt, same belt from Pull&Bear, and also a really cute tie-dye shirt that I thrifted, so there's no particular brand to it. But yeah, this is the first outfit. This second outfit are for the more dressier girls out there and that like to look snazzy but also casual. So this really nice button v-neck top is from Bershka, and then this super cute like ruffled shorts is from Zara. It's so flattering on, and I just love this blue and like red primary color combination. It just looks so effortless but also put together at the same time. This is more like university appropriate because you probably get dress coded if you wear this in high school. I don't know what your school is like, but this dress is from H&M. It's so pretty, so silky, super flattering, and it's so fun to wear because it just flows like the wind. And then this is also a bodysuit from H&M as well, and I wear this bodysuit with everything because it's just a nice like layer up piece, or you can just wear it alone like that. If you will get dress coded for your school for wearing like a tank top, then I have another option for you to pair with this really nice silky skirt. Okay, so this is the you will not get dress coded alternative. You can just pop on like a white plain t-shirt or like a graphic tee of any kind, just tie it up just to give yourself some length for your legs, and it just looks just as flattering as just wearing like a bodysuit. I just love this, or just simply wearing like a black bodysuit. But yeah, this is like a second alternative if your school doesn't let you wear spaghetti strap tops. Super simple, but it's so comfortable for school. So this is just like a really high-waisted black shorts from Hollister, and then the same belt from Pull&Bear, you know it. And then this is a super cute crop top from Zara. It's literally my all-time favorite crop top because it just goes with everything, and the fact that the sleeve is so cute just adds to a bonus. So yeah, this is just a really simple outfit that is perfect for just a day of school or just chilling around, dress code appropriate. It's probably the outfit that I'm gonna wear the most if I'm actually like gonna go to uni and wear in school, because this is such an easy outfit to put on, and literally it just took no time to think of. And whenever you don't know what to wear, just opt for a dress or like a really cute dress like this. I bought this from Brandy Melville, and I just been wearing it all the time whenever I don't know what to wear. It's super flattering and it shows like your curves really well. It's a really nice wrap dress, and like pair out with a really nice scrunchie, and it just looks so classy and put together. But it's literally like a one-piece set and you just can't go wrong with it. As I said just now, I love this bodysuit because it's super flattering and it just goes off everything. Just wear it with any sort of like shorts, dress, pants. It just goes off it because it's so simple. And I just really recommend you to invest your money on like a good bodysuit, or just a bodysuit in general. I got this from H&M as I said just now, and it costs nothing. It's super cheap. And then this skirt is from Depop. I think I got it from Depop. I'll put the store name here and I'll try and find it on Depop, but it's just super nice. But I also have an alternative if you can't wear like a tank top, a spaghetti strap top in school, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the alternative for people that's going to high school right now and have like a really strict dress code. Just pop on a really nice crop jacket, because I feel like crop jackets is a really nice accessory, and it just makes sure that your legs are still lengthened since it's cropped. And I just love this oversized crop jacket from Pull&Bear. It just covers like your shoulders and the places that you'll probably get dress coded, and this just super dress code appropriate. I don't know if the skirt is a bit too short, but I feel like it's okay. And yeah, this is outfit number 7, and this is the last outfit I have for you guys, but this is probably my personal favorite. It's just so simple. Literally, I paired it with like a bodysuit with my white shorts and just spiced it up with this oversized blazer that I got from H&M, and it was super affordable. This oversized blazer was probably around 30 pounds, and it's just like spice up any simple outfit. And also one more thing is that if you are not allowed to wear anything like v-neck in your school, you can just pair pair this with like a really plain black t-shirt, it will work just as fine. I adore this outfit. I'll probably wear this to like uni every single day if I can. I just look like a boss woman with this blazer. I love this blazer so much. So yeah, so this is my 7 outfit idea for back to school / back to uni and dress code appropriate. So hope you have enjoyed this video.